What if I told you that Islam revealed a rule that could have saved millions of people from falling into debt, traps a rule that protects families from losing their homes, a rule that stops the rich from crushing the poor, a rule that modern economists are only just beginning to understand? And what if I told you that this rule was revealed 1,400 years ago, long before banks, credit cards, or modern finance today? You're going to learn about the Islamic principle that protects people from debt slavery. One of the greatest dangers of the modern world. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will see how Allah gave us a system designed to protect our dignity, our wealth, and our future. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to the Inspire Factory, where we bring you stories and wisdom that open the mind, strengthen the heart, and guide your everyday life. Today's topic is something every Muslim should know, because every one of us has dealt with loans, money, stress, debt, or we know someone who has. In Islam, came with rules to protect you, not burden you. Let's begin to understand the Islamic rule that prevents debt slavery. You must understand the world before Islam and pre-Islamic Arabia. Debt was cruel. If you borrowed 100, you might be forced to repay 200, 300, or even 400. If you were late in payment, your property could be taken, your children could be taken, and sometimes you were taken as a slave. There was no mercy, no protection, no fairness. Debt was a weapon used by the rich to trap poor. This system didn't just exist in Arabia. Ancient Rome, Persia, China all had forms of bonded labor, where debt turned free people into slaves. Now watch what Islam did. Islam came and revealed a rule that changed financial history forever. You cannot charge interest, riba, not a small amount, not a large amount, not just a little extra nothing. And the Qur'an didn't just discourage it, declared war against it. If you do not give up riba, then take notice of a war from Allah and his messenger. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:279. Why so strong? Because riba creates debt slavery, interest grows, debt grows, stress grows, the person collapses. Islam shut the door to debt slavery by cutting the root interest. Let's break it down simply. If you borrow $1,000 with interest, you don't just repay $1,000, you repay $1,000 plus interest. But if you can't repay on time, the interest increases, then increases again and again and again until you owe more than you originally borrowed. It's a trap that never stops tightening. This is why millions of people today are stuck in credit card debt, payday loans, student loans, debt, bank loans, microloans with huge interest, online loan apps that double amounts overnight. People drown in payments for years, sometimes decades. Islam predicted this problem and stopped it at the source. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said a time will come when people will consume riba, and those who do not will still be affected by it. Dust, meaning even if you try to avoid it, it reaches you. And look at the world today. Interest is everywhere, in mortgages, loans, credit cards, even in national debt. But Islam offers a solution. Islam doesn't just forbid something, it replaces it with something better. Here's what Islam teaches. Instead of interest, both sides share risk, both sides share profit. No one is crushed. If you invest in someone's business, you only profit if they profit. This is justice. If someone is struggling, you loan them money not to make profit, but to help them. The Quran commands that every loan or debt be written down, witnessed, and transparent. These systems protect the poor and prevent people from falling into extreme debt. Islam doesn't want your wealth to destroy people. It wants your wealth to lift people for many years. Economists believed interest was normal. Some even said it was necessary, but then history proved them wrong. The Great Depression, the 1997 Asian crisis, the 2008 global crash, the rising student loan crisis, credit card bankruptcy, national debt crises, and today leading economists now say high interest destroys families, interest traps people in poverty cycles. Debt slavery is the new form of slavery, exactly what Islam warned about. Islam's rule protects your home, your family, your dignity, your mental health, your freedom, your wealth, your future. Debt slavery destroys generations. Islam protects generations. When Allah forbids something, it's because he is protecting you from something you cannot see. So what's the lesson? Islam didn't ban interest to make life hard, to ban it to protect human beings from a system that destroys lives. The rule against riba is not just financial, it's spiritual, it's moral, it's social, it's protection. And the world is finally waking up to what the Quran revealed long ago. Riba destroys, Islam protects. If this message opened your mind or touched your heart, follow my channel, The Inspire Factory. For more stories that inspire the soul, strengthen the heart, and guide your life, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.